The next class is the class upload. Again, library SSD folder file called upload.php. Before the class definition, namespace SSD. And now what we're going to do, we're going to again rename these properties here. First of all, files will become a private one, so that stays untouched in terms of the naming. The second, override will now become a public. It is a public, it remains a public, we just obviously need to rename it. So if we now right click, find usages, we have it inside of the upload method. So I'm just going to change it here and then override here without the underscore, and again going up. Next one is the years. Again, that's going to stay public, so we're removing this underscore here, and it's inside of the upload method. We have two usages, so errors, and then second one is also inside of the same method. And now going up, next one is names, so find usages, rename it here, and go into the upload method and change underscore names to names. And going up again. Now I'm doing this this way, although this specific piece of software, which as I've already mentioned is PHP Storm, has a specific functionality for renaming all of the variables and usages across the entire project. So it's not just within one file, but if you have it, you have used the specific property of the given class inside any of the files in your projects, that would automatically update the name to whatever you want to change it. I'm going to show you how it works here as well, because there's another thing we need to change. If I scroll up, down a little bit, and inside of the constructor we have this get uploads method, which truth is only called from within the constructor. It's never called from the outside of this class. So we can change it to the private method. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to change this public here to private, and now I'm going to rename this one. I'm going to double click to select it and refactor it, and I'm going for rename, and I want to change this to underscore get uploads. And first of all, I'm going to click the preview so I know how many usages there are, and I'm just going to click. I can see that it's only in the constructor, as you can see inside of the upload class, and I'm just going to click do refactor, and as you can see, it's automatically updated the method inside of the constructor. And it would do the same if this specific method was called from, let's say, any of the pages and then a file basically, any sort of file inside of the pages or any other directory that we have within our project. But that's obviously something specific to this software. So now that we've renamed our get uploads to underscore get uploads, gave it a private keyword, and obviously now we also renamed this inside of the constructor, we can now save and close this file.